Welcome to video presentation number 11, a short presentation on how to do problem number 3 on the practice quiz. When I did problem number 2, I did not clear my calculator, so I'm going to turn it on, and if I go to y equals, I'll see that I have my same graph, or same equation sitting there. I'm going to clear that. Zoom back to standard, go back to y equals, and now I'm ready to begin. Again, like the last problem, I want to find the zeros, the y-intercept, f of, this time 1.425, and the maximum or minimum. So I'm going to start by typing in my quadratic equation, negative, remember to use this button, 0.32 x squared plus 8.5x plus 1.57 graph, and now I wait. It's a quadratic equation. The graph should be a parabola. It looks like a line. Therefore, I need to zoom out because obviously it's a parabola. So zoom out. Many of you, when you hit zoom out, wonder why nothing happens. You have to remember, after you hit zoom out, to hit enter. And then we wait. And I'm not so much a fan of that, so I'm going to hit zoom out. Depending on your calculator, you might be able to hit enter. On this one, if I hit enter, it'll zoom out again, but I'm going to do zoom out, enter, and now I can see it. I'm not a huge fan of how small it is, so I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to move my cursor right to the middle of the graph. Right there's my cursor. Because when I zoom in or out, wherever the cursor is the center. So now I have a much better picture. Okay, zeros. Second calc 0. And my left bound, drop below here, I can't see it. Enter, enter, enter. Negative 0.18, y equals 0. Again, it is a 0 because the y coordinate is 0. Now I'm going to do the next one. Second calc, 0. Oops, too far. Left bound, right bound, enter, enter. And I have 26.75. Here I'm in scientific notation. This means negative 1 times 10 to the negative 11, which for all practical purposes is 0. If you see this on your calculator, understand that it's just telling you it's 0. All right, y-intercept, you can't really see it here, but it happens where x is 0. So I go second calc, find the value when x is 0, and I get 1.57. And then I ask you to calculate f of 1.425. We do the same thing. Second calc, I want to find the value when x is 1.425, enter, and we get 13.033 when x. And again, when you do this, the cursor is at the point whose coordinates are given. Lastly, I want to find the maximum or minimum. I see that I have a maximum value. Second calc, maximum is 4. My left bound, enter. My right bound, enter, enter, and my maximum value is 58. The coordinates of that point are 13.28, comma 58.02. That is question number 3. Have a great day.